have this toy? Do you love it as much as I do? Let me show you how I would use it with babies and toddlers and how I'd change it up when your child gets older. You can grab this toy for your baby as young as 9 months old. It comes with 3 little balls. Each one of them makes a different sound when your baby or toddler shakes them. First, I'd look at the box with my child and talk about what I see in the picture. Ooh, ball, ball, ball. There's a baby. Let's open. Pull, pull, pull. Ooh. Got it. Then you could take pieces out one by one. Out. Let's get more out. Here's more. Here's a yellow one and an orange one. Remember, if you're doing this with your baby, you're not expecting them to know the colors yet. They're most interested in watching what we're doing with the box. You also could make it a little more exciting and dump all the pieces out. Ready? Dump! Oh no, the balls! Let's go get them. Oh no! Got him! Here's how I'd model language when we're putting the toy together. If you're using this toy with your older baby, you're gonna wanna give them a piece to hold. They're probably gonna wanna mouth it. Bang it together, bang it on the floor. You can talk about building it as they're exploring it with their hands. Let's put this piece on. More. You don't have to be in such a rush to get the tower put together perfectly. Part of the process is talking about your efforts. So if you don't line it up correctly the first time, oh no! Model some exclamatory words that might be easy for your baby or toddler to imitate. And then you can, turn, turn, turn. I did it. If you're using it with an older child, you're going to give them the pieces and let them help you. You can narrate what they're doing as they try to put it on. You got it. Let's do more. Which one? Let them pick. Let them guide the building. If they're having trouble, you can gently help them. Oh, help? Okay, I can help you. Turn it. Turn, turn, turn. We did it. One more. On top. Your baby's gonna wanna hold the ball, maybe bang the balls together, bang on a surface, shake the ball, and mouth the ball. You can roll the ball back and forth to your baby. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna show your baby how this toy works. Narrate what you're doing. Ready, set, go, 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 and talk about what happens as it goes down. Your baby might reach for the ball when it gets to the bottom, and you can just kind of watch them and see what they want to do. Your baby's going to want it to happen again. Older kids are going to be able to maybe do it themselves. Your younger baby, maybe not yet, but you can model a sound or a word that they might use to request it happening again. For a baby, you might say, more, ball. For a toddler or a child of any age who's using maybe one word at a time, I would do the same thing. If your child is already using single words and maybe we want to model 2 words at a time, we might say, more ball? What more? What I choose to model really is less based on exact age and more based on how your child is able to communicate best. Once we model things like this, we are not withholding the excitement until your child responds precisely. But instead, we can model. We can give an expectant, really powerful pause, ball, and wait for them to respond. However they respond, we're going to show them we've understood. Ball, you want more ball? Okay. And then we keep playing. You're going to have so many opportunities to keep modeling sounds and words, and it's going to be fun to discover what your child is interested in imitating. Don't forget to imitate the gestures, sounds, and words that your child uses, because that shows them that you understand what they're saying. The other thing I love doing with this toy is sending all the balls down at once. Ready, set,